Guys, good morning. This is Kuya Dick, and I've done with certain form of exercises, simple stretching, head, arm, hips, knee, and then of course shoulder, and then I did jumping jack and sort of walking. I've done perhaps 20-minute exercises and did inhale exercises. I've just finished doing these things so that I believe there are benefits of exercising, especially for the blood circulation, for the heart, and I'm perspiring right now, and you know there's a pussycat there. A pussycat there. Time out. And then after that, perhaps the pussycat is doing some exercises too, like that. Oh. See the cat?
Meow, 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 meow.
So we communicated. I can communicate with the cat like this.
Meow, meow, meow. Mimi.
Oh. See? And really, my mind is some sort of like this. My hat twisted, and perhaps you may say that I have a twisted mind. Ha 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 ha, very funny. So it's so nice, it feels so good. And while walking, I have my singing cook here. While cooking, she's Jenny, like that, cooking pancit, and while she is cooking, she is singing. Kanta ka, Jenny? Ha? Nahiya siya eh. Pero, so, ayan na. Oh, did you hear that? To latido. So, you know, if you smile and laugh, it means you have a happy heart. And if you have a happy heart, laughter is the best medicine. So this is Kuya Dick saying bye for a while. Do some stretching and not so hard. Take it easy because you know, as senior citizen, you might break your you know, bone. Be careful when you're walking, and your eyes, though I have chinky eyes, no, like an alcancia, because I am chinito. And eto na po, I will end my vlog here, dalawa, and of course, like the actor, they wear their sunglasses like this. Yo, what's up, man? So this is Kuya Benny saying bye and good morning to all of you out there.